Are you looking to optimize your yard operations but unsure where to start? Today, we're delving deep into yard management, its significance, and best practices to ensure your logistics run smoothly. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more insights from Logimax. What is yard management? Yard management is the art of organizing and handling materials in a designated yard or outdoor storage area. It encompasses tasks like organizing shipments, tracking inventory, and managing yard trucks. While this might seem straightforward, adhering to best practices is essential for efficiency and safety. Why is yard management crucial? Efficiency. With clear visibility of assets in your yard, you can sidestep bottlenecks and supply chain delays. Safety. Tracking assets and updating yard workers on their locations can prevent accidents and injuries. Customer satisfaction. Ensuring timely loading and unloading of shipments leads to happier customers. Next, let's talk about the key features you should look for in a yard management system, or YMS. A robust YMS offers real-time asset tracking, yard maps, appointment scheduling, and gate control. It aids in monitoring both inbound and outbound shipments, optimizing yard space, and enhancing communication among yard workers. Here are some best practices to follow when implementing a yard management system. Know what's in your yard and its exact location with real-time asset tracking. Maintain up-to-date and accurate yard maps for efficient operations. Avoid potential delays by scheduling all yard activities. Ensure smooth entry and exit with gate management, thereby reducing congestion and enhancing safety. At Logimax, we offer a seamless integration of our warehouse management system with a yard management module. This combo provides all the features we've discussed and more, without the need for added integration work. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more insights. And if you're looking to enhance your yard management, reach out to us at logimaxwms.com.